cab, the new cab. It's a very smooth running cab, very quiet into the cab. The cab now has two IntelliView monitors on the right side.
Okay.
The monitor at the top is for things like PLM, automatic guidance system, yield and moisture management, or the cams at the tube or in the back. Or you see your steering.
Okay.
This IntelliView is for the normal combined informations like rotor speed, like engine speed, or something other informations. On the right side is the new right handlebar. The buttons are all new. So the buttons are on the combined picture like this, who is a function out of the machine, also on the outside. So every driver or new driver are each